Hey there, wanted to do a quick review on my new favorite camp chair. This is the Director's Chair by Timber Ridge. It has all the comfort and convenience you're gonna want sitting around the campfire or really any outdoor activity, especially if you're gonna be eating. You'll notice it's got these side supports on both sides. This is a cooler compartment right here. And then you've also got a nice tray area. You can easily set a plate on here. If you're gonna be eating around a campfire or something like that, you've got a cup holder and tray area over here. And it's very easy to fold and unfold these. They fold down out of place, and the chair also folds up really easily as well. Just give it a pull and it goes together, nice and compact in a flat area, easy to store or transport as well. You wanna deploy it, you're just gonna push this down, pops into place. Very nice padded, comfortable seat and backrest area here. Very comfortable to sit in. If you don't want to use your side supports, you don't have to, but if you want to pop those up, they go into place really easily, nice and sturdy. Same thing on this side. All of the materials feel very high quality, easy to use, and again, whenever you want to fold this up, you simply pull on these two handles here and it collapses in place. Nice quality tray here. Whenever you want to fold that down, you just click that out on both sides and it'll fold down very nicely. Over here, cooler compartment. Take a look at that here. If I can do this one-handed, unzips nicely. And then you've got a cooler compartment for beverages, food, etc. And then it's kind of nice. The cup holder here is also insulated as well. If for any reason you would want to remove this cooler compartment to store it in a refrigerator or something, it's got Velcro on both sides and it is removable for cleaning or whatever you might want to do there. Finish very nice on all of the metal. Good quality stitching and materials here. And again, folding this up, very easy. Just lift it up, folds right into place. To deploy it, push it down. Lift it up, push it down. Everything folds down nicely and stores in a nice compact space. Only takes up about 5 or so inches of width. But nice, very nice product. I would highly recommend this, especially if you want those creature comforts of having a nice tray for eating, as well as a cooler compartment over here. Just a nice setup here.